Welcome to another session of Ebenezer GATE coaching classes. This is a problem that appeared in GATE 2020. It is a multiple choice question for 2 marks. The state diagram of a sequence detector is shown below. State S0 is the initial state of the sequence detector. If the output is 1, then what is the sequence? Now, let us see where in each transition we have there are states S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. So there are 4 states, and while transition from S0 to S1, the input should be 0 and the output is 0. For transition from S0 to S0 itself, input is 1 and output is 0. For transition from S1 to S1, input is 0, output is 0. From transition to S1 to S2, input is 1 and output is 0. For transition from S2 to S0, input is 1 and output is 0. S2 to S3, input is 0 and output is 0. The first one, the top one is input and the bottom one is the output. From S3 to S4, input is 1 and output is 0. S3 to S1, input is 0, output is 0. Then from S4 to S0, input is 1 and output is 0. Input is 1, and for S4 to S3, input is 0, output is 1. So if the output is 1, so it is said that the output is 1. Output is 1 is only in one case, that is, it has to go from S4 to S3. So from S4, it is going to S3. So if it has to go to, now how does it come to S4? So S4 to S3, the input is 0 and output is 1. Only in one case output is 1. So that is the case where the sequence is detected. So output is 1 and is only in one case where S4 transitions to S3. Now how does it come to S4? From S4? For S4, so S4 can come from S3, and in S4 there are only 3 arrows. One is S3 to S4, another one is S4 to S3, another one is S4 to S0. So invariably S4, it has to come from S3. So it has to come from S3. So it has to come from S3, and its input is 1 and output is 0. Now you need to see only input, okay. Output you don't need to see. Then how does it come to S3? S3 it will come from S2 or S4. It can come from S2 or S4. But if it comes from S4, again it keeps repeating, so it's better, it will be in a loop. So we can assume that it has come from S2. So 0 bar 0. 0 input, 0 output. S2 it comes from S1. So S1 to S2 it comes when input is 1 and output is 0. Then S1 it will come from S0. When input is 0, output is 0. So it is S0 to S1 to S2 to S3 to S4 to S3. So input is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, if the input sequence follows this way, then the output will be 1. So the answer is A. Thank you. God bless you.